Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mark read emails as unread on Outlook. So first you need to open your Microsoft Outlook and select an email which you wanna unread. So select one and click on write, and you can see there is a mark as unread, or you can select any one of any email. So again go for here and read or read. So you can click on it and it's unread email, or you are click on it again, now it's read. So guys, this is how you can mark read emails as unread in Outlook. So, if you guys found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.